Hello everyone, welcome to my
Today we will
channel.
discuss about LKG maths worksheet. So here count and write the number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here write the before number. So 7 before 6. 21 before 20. 32 before 31. 9 before 8. 19 before 18. 14 before 13. Again write the after number. So 47 after 48. 38 after 39. 15 after 16. 18 after 19. 22 after 23. Fourth one is write number names. 1. ONE1. 2. TWO2. 3. PHREE. 4. FOUR. 5. FIVE. 6. SIX. 6. 7. SEVEN. 8. EIGHT. 9. NINE. 9. 10. TEN. 10. So the fifth one is write the missing number. So 1 and 3 here given. So 1 and 3 between 2. 3 after 4. So here 5. Again 6 here after 7. 8. 8 after 9. The next one is match the correct number. Here given 2, 5, 9, 6, 1. So 2 is here. Next 5. Next 9. Again here 6, 1. So here circle the odd one. So odd number 3, 3, 3, 5, 3. The odd one is 5. 7, 7, 4, 7, 7. The odd one is 4. 9, 9, 9, 2, 9. The odd one is 2. 11, 11, 8, 11, 11. The odd one is 8. 14, 9, 14, 14, 14. The odd one is 9. Here write the backward numbers from 20 to 1. Here we'll write number 20, then 19, then 18, again 17, here 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here write the numbers. So here given 16. So you have to write 16. Here 11. Here we write 11. 10. Here 15.
For more education classes, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.